If you're in the market for a super low mileage, super clean work truck, check out this 2018 3/4 ton crew cab Tradesman. It has the factory gooseneck setup for hauling those large trailers. It has power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt steering, bucket cloth seats with fold-up armrest, hands-free controls for your phone and cruise control, color backup camera in the rearview mirror. It also has satellite radio, air conditioning, and it has auxiliary buttons for add-ons for winches, lights, etc. In the back, you have a full cloth bench seat that folds up for plenty of storage.